Spin Master Monster Jam Series 16 Showtime Grave Digger. Here comes now the Showtime Grave Digger. As you can see now, the big difference with the Showtime trucks is the suspension and the motor have some detailing on it. I'm gonna even call it paint job on it, so it stands out more than just being green or gray of the suspension and the motor. I enjoy the white lettering on the BKT tires. I like that. We get a gray chassis and then the green roll cage. Like always, everything else on the body of Gravedigger is the same. So a lot of stuff came from, I believe, on Digger's Diecast. If you follow him on Instagram, he does a lot of customizations, and he does an incredible job what he does with just customizing different Spin Master Monster Jam trucks and just going all out in detailing them. And so I believe that's where Spin Master got the inspiration from this for the Showtime trucks, to add a little bit more customization to the trucks for the chase pieces, which Showtime trucks. So very cool. I believe though that my top two, it's hard to know, but I don't know which one I like better, the training trucks or the ride trucks, which were chase pieces so far, and then this is the third installment of the chase pieces. So not sure which one is my favorite. They're both pretty cool. This chase piece is alright. It'd be kind of interesting to see what they come up next for in 2022 as a chase piece. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing and review. If you want to see the poster and the other trucks in this series, please stay tuned. So in Series 16, the poster is of Soldier Fortune. Let's go ahead, turn it around. And the trucks in this series is Legacy Trucks, Son of a Digger. Then we got Kraken in Arena Favorites. Gravedigger, that purple version, in Arena Favorites. Next up, Monster Mutt in Rough Crowd. Then we get Zombie in Elemental Trucks. Then Soldier Fortune we get in Legacy Trucks. Moving down now to the Boneyard Trucks, the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. Then Arena Favorites, Shaker, and then there is Gravedigger.